here at Smart Technology Days 2025 organized by Hurco India.
I'm very happy to say that the footfall was very good. All of our 14 partners demonstrated their product over here. We have started with a machine PV1052, is a Takumi machine, and this machine is a 3-axis C-frame machine where we are demonstrating all types of probe from Renishaw. Then we have a machine from Hurco VM10 machine. It's the smallest footprint machine. It's a 3-axis machine, but we put a 5-axis table, but make it a 5-axis simultaneous, where we are doing that knee joint sort of very complex medical component. And that after that, we have a machine model BMX42. There also we have a 5-axis tilting table from Detron, and we are doing a very complex aerospace component. Then we have other model, by model name is BC1200, which is Takumi brand, a C-frame machine with a 15,000 RPM, where we are showing that high-graded plastic mold components. Then the last one, which is H12, the machine is a bridge type machine. It's a very popular BMC in a die mold, especially plastic mold segment. It is having 15,000 RPM spindle and is a bridge type, and it's having a great stroke of Y-axis stroke, which is the need of the day in the industry. With all 5 machines, we are showing the live demonstration of the cutting tool, then clamping device, then chucking, and also cam, software, even probe.
Very excited how many people are in attendance. I've met many customers, both with Hurco products and Takumi, and I want to say that we have quite a few partners here that are helping us and support our machines with various options and accessories. It's very nice to come to India and understand the customer's needs, to understand the market. It appears to me that the Indian market is growing considerably, and with the Hurco brand and the Takumi brand, we offer a lot of solutions, for them.
Pan-India customers have come in over here to see this event, to understand our technology and what way we can pay advantage in their shop floor. We are 14 partners, as well as we will be getting more business out of it, more customers and more relationship with them, okay, which will lead us for a long business run.
And I'm very much excited to see our customer here, and we are really happy to attend our customer. Thank you very much.